Yeah, this is our favorite spot. This where it comes in. And you know when you see this like this, you know that's a hurricane. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. We're actually coming across. It's the water changed overnight, so we are actually in the midst of this thing. It's September. September. See all across the road. See that? Side coming up. So it's really coming. You get the taste of it.
Happen yet. So imagine when it do happen. Oh, look all the area. We so need a boat. Get around. There we go again. I'm in trouble again. House on the water. I need to break that down. Do something else. Andy Burdock shop. Uncle Leon house. Stafford house. Living through. Oh man, this is gonna be bad. Just imagine when it do come. What's gonna happen? Woo! The town area is almost in water.
At the time, my phone was fucking off just now. Yeah, that's how the airport looking right now. FBO. Flash flood.
Attempt to head out in the storm to evacuate to go by our neighbors to the two-story home. Wait, the car moving? Yo, we gotta move the generator. Help me put the generator on the thing up.
We gotta go up on the attic. You actually with me?
Where the car is, right?